The opposition People's National Party PNP is again raising concerns about hundreds of people being locked up without charge as a result of the state of public emergency in St. James. Dr. Phillips says this is contrary to the notion that the human rights of citizens are not being abused.
But I can tell you that as a parent, if you take up my youth and I can't find him, and him lock up for days and I don't know where he is, I feel his human rights have been taken away. And it is a sign that they don't understand. And they don't care. Because it's not their children that are being locked up in this way.
He adds that some of those detained have lost their jobs.
The lawyers have gone to the tribunal, set up the tribunal, say, we can't hear the case. So what is to happen to them? I don't support criminals. But you cannot fight crime by trampling on the rights of the innocent. No country can run so.
Dr. Peter Phillips was speaking at a PNP meeting to formally present Jennifer Housen as the party's candidate for West Rural St. Andrew in the next general election. The JLP's Juliet Cuthbert Flynn now represents the constituency.